Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix Instagram Reels lagging. Now the first thing you want to do right now is of course you want to make sure that our phone devices or our device that we're using right now is up to date. To do that, go to settings, and while you're in here, look for general. Look for software update, and as you can see right here, I do not have any pending update. Now, if you're using an Android device, you can just do the same thing for this one. Just make sure you have no pending updates. And next, open up your Instagram account. So this is going to be an Instagram account, right? What you can do right here is click on the option to go to your profile, like so, and click on the three lines on the upper section. Some call this one the up hamburger icon. Once you're in here, look for the one they call media quality. And to be honest, you should be on the bottom section right there. If you can't really find it, what you can do right now is go to the search bar, and in here you can just type in media quality. So for this one, as you can see, everything is turned off. You want to make sure this first one and last one is turned on, and basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.